Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. In this video, we'll discuss the GL impact of the order-to-cash process in NetSuite. The order-to-cash process begins with a sales order. Sales orders are non-posting transactions. They simply record the customer's intent to purchase and have no GL impact. Next is item fulfillment. At this stage, inventory is reduced and the cost of goods sold is recognized. Debit. Cost of goods sold. Credit, inventory asset. The amount is equivalent to the item cost multiplied by the quantity fulfilled. The process continues with invoicing. This step records revenue and creates the receivable from the customer. The amount is the selling price of the item multiplied by the quantity sold. Debit, accounts receivable. AR. Credit, revenue, based on the item's income account. Once the customer makes a payment, a customer payment is recorded. This clears the receivable and records the cash inflow. Note that the funds first go into undeposited funds rather than directly into the bank account. Debit, undeposited funds. Credit, accounts receivable. Finally, a bank deposit is created. This moves the funds from the holding account into the actual bank account. Debit, bank account. Credit, undeposited funds. This completes the GL impact flow for the order-to-cash process in NetSuite. And that wraps up this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.